Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. I'm Dr. Deepti Shukla, and today we have one special patient with us who has come specially from Sydney to get the hair transplantation done. So, hello Mr. Sanjay, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. So, he lives in Sydney and he came to know about our clinic from a friend. So, let's ask him and discuss कि उन्हें कैसा लगा हमारी clinic का experience अभी तक का. So, Mr. Sanjay, you came to know about clinic from one of your friends.
Yeah.
So, he did the transplantation here?
Yeah, he did from New Roots, but he did in Vashi.
Okay.
But he highly recommended that because you can see the results from him.
Yes.
We met him after a few months and he had very thick hair growth.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, when you saw his results, you were quite satisfied and happy with his results?
Right, yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So, when did you decide that you're sure that you want to go with our clinic for the hair transplantation purpose?
Actually, I got sure when I saw the result and my colleagues' hair.
That time only you were sure that
this is
the clinic that you want to get it done.
Correct, yeah.
Okay. So after you decided, then you came to our clinic with your wife and we explained everything about the procedure and everything. Yeah. So did you have any doubt or any nervousness or any anxiety, apprehension before
Not
the
at all. I mean, whatever you explained, it was pretty good.
Yes.
It was pretty in detail.
Yes.
So I had all my questions answered, so I was quite happy.
Okay, good. And now you came today in the morning only, so we started your surgery. So as you can see, we have done half of the surgery now. The extraction of the graft and slitting is done almost. So how was the experience after we started the surgery, after the anesthesia was given? Did you feel uncomfortable? Did you have any kind of pain or?
It was not uncomfortable, but it was a bit sort of hectic, I can say, because the way we lay down on the couch, it's just like you just on your front side, and that's got a bit of pressure.
Okay.
But otherwise, the surgery was good. I mean,
how was our team? Did you like the team's behavior?
Yeah, they're quite friendly.
They took care of you very well.
They took care of me. Yeah, the support system is pretty good over here.
Good. Thank you so much, Mr. Sanjay, for choosing our clinic, and we hope you get the best result.